Welcome back, Griddle Nation. Today I'm going to take you beyond the slice and show you how to make a delicious cream spinach in the Blackstone pizza oven. So let's get started. First things first, we're going to set aside a 1-pound bag of frozen chopped spinach to thaw. Now grab a sweet onion and let's dice it up. This will add a wonderful depth of flavor to our cream spinach. Next, we're going to mince 3 whole cloves of garlic. I'm using a garlic press here, but feel free to use your trusty knife if you don't have one. Next, we're going to prepare our cheese. We've got an 8-ounce block of extra sharp cheddar and 8 ounces of smoked gruyere. Shred them both separately and place them in a bowl. You're going to want to avoid using pre-shredded bag cheese for this so that it melts better. At this point, our spinach should be somewhat thawed. If it isn't, you can place it in a strainer and then run it under some warm water. Next, I'm going to use a strainer and a bowl set up here, and I'm going to use my hands to squeeze out as much liquid as possible. This will ensure that the cream spinach won't be too watery. Now we're going to start cooking. We're going to heat up a pot over medium-high heat and then add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once melted, toss in the diced onions. Once they're softened up, add the minced garlic. Once that garlic is aromatic, we're going to add a couple of heaping tablespoons of all-purpose flour and mix it until it is fully incorporated. Now pour in 1.5 cups of heavy cream, reserving some for later. Season with salt and pepper. Now we're going to throw in our spinach and we're going to mix it in and let it heat up. Then we're going to toss in half of our shredded cheddar and our gruyere, mix it until it is wonderfully melty, and if needed, use the reserved cream to adjust the thickness. Now it's time to prep our Blackstone deep dish pan. We're going to drizzle in a tablespoon of olive oil and spread it all around, making sure to get up the sides. Now pour in our creamy spinach mixture into the pan, top it with the remaining half of our cheddar and gruyere, and of course a sprinkle of fresh grated parmesan for an extra kick, also to create an ultimate cheese crust. Next, make sure your Blackstone pizza oven is preheated on low heat. Pop the pan in and let it bake for about 10 to 12 minutes.
11 minutes later.
And just like that, our cream spinach is ready. Carefully take it out of the oven and look at that glorious cheese crust. There you have it, folks, our mouth-watering cream spinach, creamy, savory, and oh so delicious. It's the perfect side dish to elevate any meal. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more tasty treats. Until next time, happy cooking.